You know you can be making up to $130 just by doing the normal housework you usually do. You clean your house, you arrange your bed, you wash your plate, those things that you usually do, sweat every day, and nobody tells you sorry or thank you. I discovered this website that pays people for doing their normal house routine: cleaning your garage, arranging your bed, cleaning your sitting room, washing plates, cooking. You can be anywhere much. Too good to be true, right? I'll be taking you step by step on how you can successfully sign up to this site. Take a simple task and start making money. The best part of it is you don't even need to have experience. You don't need complicated or stressful resume. You don't need a laptop, and you don't need to have A's in your English. You don't even need to say a word. What you do is just do your work, record yourself, and upload your videos. Just download this simple app here and record whenever you want to sign up to any website. Make sure you study everything about that website, the payment method, how legit that site is before you sign up. I'm still Shavera. In this channel, I teach legitimate online jobs, AI platform, website that help you earn money from the comfort of your home. If that sounds like what you want, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to it. This is the interface here. This is Atlas Capture. Say help train the next generation of breakthrough AI. Get paid to record everyday activities, everyday tasks from home. Join thousands of contributors helping build the future of AI and robotics. Let me explain what this website is all about. This website is a platform where people complete video recorded tasks that help train AI systems. Users choose tasks, record videos following instructions, submit them for review, and receive payment of their work. And receive payment if their work is approved. It is primarily available on iPhones. For now, it's on iPhones that they have it, like from iPhone 11 or later is there. So this is it. So this is the interface, what it looks like. These are country project leaders, world-class experts. Our leaders team brings decades of experience from top AI research levels and tech companies. What we do: simple tasks that help train AI systems to understand the real world better. So this is it. Let's see, go down and see what you will see there. Join the Atlas Capture. We are building something meaningful together. We want to make sure you are rewarded for it. Competitive pay. Earn a competitive rate for your contribution. We reward our skilled contributors well. A flexible schedule. Work whenever you want, from wherever you are. No minimum hours required. Work from anywhere. All you need is a phone or laptop and internet, available in 100 cities. Secure private onboarding. Get started in a minute. No lengthy interviews or complex requirements. Okay, let's go. This is where we want to go to. Record videos. Capture everyday activities using your smartphone camera. Simple household tasks like cooking or cleaning. Record what you already do. This is basically what you already do. I have account with these people, and I did 2 videos as well, and the first one got accepted. I submitted it immediately, I uploaded it, but the second one was rejected. So I come to understand why they reject that second one, and this is one thing you need to pay attention and learn from this video. Make sure you watch this video from start to finish, because I'll be explaining everything you need to know on this video. Okay, now let's go to this place. This is where we're going to download the app to get started. You click here. So let's get the app. The app is already here. Click on this place. So I sign out. The first one here is language. So it depends on the language you use, but I use American English. So any other language you know you can use that is there, you can as well choose it. Next, put your email address. So please make sure you use a valid email address. They will send code on that email address. Now, if they send code on that email address, if you are not able to meet up, what you do, you click resend again.
They will send you another code that you can use. Okay, this is another code. Input the code 00. So once you put it, it will move you to this place. Say enter any code you are given. So if you have a referral code, maybe someone refer you to this platform, you put the code. But if no one refer you to this platform, you just click nobody gave me a code. Just click there. You put first name here. Let's see your last name. Continue. Now enter a username. You know what username is. Okay, continue. Now, where do you live? You pick your country of residence, where you are. So let me choose Nigeria. Choose how you want to hear about product, news, offers, and updates. So it's the same email that I put before. You don't need to put anything. You just click continue. Now, date of birth. You look for your date of birth and place your date of birth. Continue. Now I said allow location. This place is camera is allowed, microphone is allowed. So allow location. If you don't want them to show your location, good. If you want them to show your location, just toggle this place on. These are the terms and conditions you need to go through. Make sure you go through it then before you continue. I have account already, so I know everything that is here. Accept. So only approved hours are paid. So the ones you did that is approved will be paid. The remaining, the ones that are not accepted will not be paid for. What gets approved, keep both hands in the frame, record the right way, keep moving. So all those things I will still explain them. Continue. Track your capture record. You can also track a capture record. So another terms and conditions we accept. Continue. Please make sure you go through this. I'm not going through it because I already have account. I've already passed through this place. So I'll place this. Okay, accept. Another one, accept. Okay, here is it. Do you already have a head strap? So this is like a tripod or a stable place where you can keep your camera. If you have, just click here. Continue. So this is the task. Let's go. Next. Now this is the interface. This is how much you can make per week. Max reward $157 per week. So this money is something that you can actually make in a week if you are consistent. You add your highlights, help collaborate, record this, set up your payout. I'll still come back to this one. So let's go down. Here, this is where it says start. You can click here to say start. Your phone helps keep hands in frame. So got it. Now, these are the work you are expected to do in a day. Clean your living room. This is one of the work I did that was recorded. They accepted it. Another one, organize the closet. Reset the bedroom counter. Tidy up the living room. Clean the toilets. So these are the normal, usual work we do every day without receiving thank you. So you are asked to do it and receive payment for it. Now, this is the work for the day. At the end of the day, you expect to make like $19. Now, after that day, the next day again, you do another work. You expect to make $22. Is here. So let's go to this place. Click here. Start onboarding. First of all, wipe your phone. The phone lens, make sure it's clean so that your phone will be, your camera will be more bright and sharp. Do not disturb. Don't stay on a noisy background. These are the things that can disqualify you. Keep your hands in the frame while working. Make sure as you are working, your hands is placed in the frame. That is, your hand is where they can see your hand very well. I don't think you don't need to record your whole body or your head, just your hand. Now start onboarding. Keep both hands in view. Make every action obvious. Keep moving as you walk. Don't just stay stagnant. Miss all your tasks, not one particular work, though you already have your tasks done. So you just follow it accordingly. continue. Make sure no kids is around where you are recording. If you have any child below 18 years, if you record that child, that video will be disqualified. I'm ready. Now, this is the common mistake that can disqualify you or can make your video get rejected. First one is blurry camera, shaky camera, moving too fast, moving too slow, fake pass. As she's touching that flower, she's not doing anything. The next one is this exposing info. You don't expose any information about you, about your family. So you make sure it's just war. It's just war. So the next thing you do, you click understand here. And once I click here start, I will start recording myself immediately. You already start recording yourself. Now, if you want me to make video and teach you practical ways to record your video so that all your video will be accepted, every work you do that will be accepted, just comment at the comment section. I will show you the practical way to record the right video so that your videos will be accepted. So let's go to payout now. This is the payout. Now, this next payment method, choose how you want to receive your earnings. Crypto is recommended for faster payout. Now, this is crypto and wise bank transfer. This bank transfer takes 2 to 5 days before it arrives. So that's some bank transfer you can get it the next day. So if it's wise that you want, what you do, you click here, put your email address, the email you use to open your wise or bank account, just put the email here. Immediately you put the email here, you click continue, that is all. It will bring you back to this place. That is how it is. I want you to comment at the comment section if you are going to try this out. This normal work that we do every day and we never receive thank you. So you can do this and earn money from it. Thank you so much for watching to this end. And if you want me to make video on how the practical way of recording the right video, please comment at the comment section. I will make the video right away. Turn on your notification bell so that when next I upload video, you will be the first to get it. Yeah, I want you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. See you guys. Bye bye.